one thing that we have to understand and put in mind as a believer is that prayer is not a sprint but a marathon. So if you are praying and you think it is a sprint, meaning you only pray when you are in bad times, or if there is nothing happening, you will stop praying. And if there are no breakthroughs, you will stop praying. Then that's what we call sprint. But if you are praying and you are building stamina, you're praying in bad times and in good times, and that's when we call marathon, because prayer is about your relationship with God, your intimacy with God. And Luke 18 verse 1 says that men ought always to pray. Notice the word always. So we are created, or we are also designed as a being of prayer. So it's we put it as a habit, and you will realize and you will notice that we grow spiritually as we do that. And that's the best thing that you can ever do for yourself. Okay? Thank you.